Hey guys, I'm Beth.
And I'm Maddy. Beth,
Yeah.
do you remember when we sang that really fun song about apples and bananas?
I do, and we call them ooples and bananas. Ridiculous.
And I said that later on we could make some banana pancakes.
I do remember that.
Well, we're here to make some banana pancakes with all of our Facebook friends.
Great. So what are we going to need to make banana pancakes?
It's so easy. You need one banana,
Okay.
one egg, some flour or coconut flour or oats, a sprinkle of cinnamon, and a sprinkle of nutmeg.
Great. Okay, so what do we need to do with all this stuff to get it together to make banana pancakes?
Well, first you need to take a fork and peel the banana. That's a really good looking banana. Looks perfect for pancakes.
Perfect for mashing. Alright.
Yep.
So mash that one up.
Mash, mash, mash.
All mashed.
Looking good.
Okay.
Now I'm going to whisk our egg. 1, 2, 3. Then, would you like to pour it into the big bowl for me? Nice job. Okay, now we need to mix our banana and our egg together. Next, I'm going to add in our flour or coconut flour or oats.
How much flour is that?
That's about 1 spoonful.
Okay.
Looking good. Now, for some flavor, we're going to add in a sprinkle of cinnamon. And a sprinkle of nutmeg. Delicious. And then we mix that in.
All mixed.
Alright, now we're going to put them in the frying pan. Okay, first let's add in some coconut oil so they don't stick to our pan.
And what heat do we need it on?
About a medium heat.
I've got it on a 5.
And then just add in 2 spoonfuls per pancake. Oh, that's a big spoonful. That could probably be a pancake all on its own. That's it, and then just spread it out. Yum.
I'll turn it down. And then one more.
Yep. Looking good. Great. And then cook for 2 minutes on each side.